Hi, my name is Jim Stricker, and I'm a Master Gardener with the Polk County University of Florida IFAS Extension Service. And today we're going to talk about pruning roses here in Central Florida. The tools we need for doing our seasonal pruning include a shears, a rose clipper, which is a bypass type, and also what we call a lopper, which is a big heavy-duty tool that we use to cut larger stems. And then for even larger stems, we have a pruning saw. We have a wire brush. This brush is used to brush the bud union on the plant to remove some of the scale, the bark on the bud union, in an effort to promote new bud growth or new canes to emerge from the bud union. We also use glue. Any white glue will do. This is in case you have borers in your garden. Borers will lay eggs on the end of the stem, and the larva will bore down into the stem and cause the stem to die. So the glue seals the end of the stem to prevent borers from entering the stem. Yeah, this is seasonal. The best time here in Central Florida is from about mid-February to mid-March. And then a less severe pruning is usually done in August, where you take only about a quarter of the height of the bush at that time. Okay, this rose has more canes than what we really need, and many of these are intruding into the center of the plant, and we want the center to be open so that we have better air circulation, and we want fewer main canes, so there's more opportunity for new canes to come in and to rejuvenate the bush. You want to find a bud that's pointing away from the center of the bush and that doesn't interfere with another cane. So you go all the way down here, and here this bud is pointing away from the center, and it will grow out this way. So that's where we'll make this cut. So we'll strip the rest of these leaves off, so we don't want to leave any leaves on the bush. Now I'll put some glue. Right now, once again, we're brushing the scales off of the bud union. This is an effort to get new buds to grow and produce fresh canes for the plant, for the rose bush, so it will stay young and continue to grow and produce many, many flowers. Thank you for watching our video today. If you'd like more information, click the links below or like and subscribe to our video. Happy gardening!